Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find the check-in instructions of your trip on Airbnb. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, you will need to go to your profile, and then you will need to click on trips. And by that, you will find the list of your trips. After that, you will choose the trip that you want to check its check-in instruction. And then you will go down here, and with upon these details, you will find the check-in instruction or the check-in and checkout details or instruction, and then you will click on it and you will find all the instruction that you need to follow for the check-in on this trip. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.